everyone! Today I'm going to show you the best and highest quality render settings in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. First, we open Premiere Pro, click on Sequence, located in the top left, then open Sequence Settings. After selecting 60 frames a second under Time Base below, move to the Video section. The frame size here may vary depending on your monitor's resolution. In my case, with a monitor resolution of 2560 x 1440, I manually input it if needed. Also, ensure the display format is set to 60 FB's timecode. Next, check both maximum bit depth and maximum render quality at the bottom, then click OK to apply the changes and close. If you want your video to be smoother, right-click on the video you are editing, go to Time Interpolation, and select Optical Flow. Then navigate to the export located at the top. Here, you can either choose from the ready-made presets or, my recommendation, customize it yourself. In the Format tab, if your graphics card supports HEVC H265, choose this option. If not, select H264. Click once on the area labeled Video and navigate to Basic Video Settings. Here, you can first choose the output resolution of your video in the frame size section, whether it's 1080p, 1440p, or 4K is entirely your preference. Selecting a frame rate of 60 will be sufficient. Make sure to check both maximum depth and maximum render quality. Then, in the Time Interpolation section, choose Optical Flow. When you reach the encoding settings, in the Performance section, choose Hardware Encoding. Hardware encoding allows your graphics card to be utilized during the rendering process. Set the profile to Main and the tier to High. And now, we've reached the part that often confuses everyone, bitrate settings. Choose CBR for bitrate encoding, and if you're rendering in-game footage, you should enter a target bitrate value between 60 and 100. For me, the optimal setting is 120 bitrate. Select Highest, Slowest for the Quality section and proceed to export. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. I hope I've been able to help you, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like for the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you.